how to connect to my VPS from my Mac. Okay, what we need to do is check and go to the App Store, click on here, and then on here we're gonna find for Microsoft Remote Desktop. Okay, let's find it, and then we're gonna go and get it. This is the one. Install it. Okay, it's gonna ask you for your Apple ID, your password, normal, process. After that, let's wait until it's gonna download. Okay, let's open it. Okay, this is not something I'm looking for now. Um, you know, just go ahead and check, read, don't allow. I'm not looking for get it from there. Okay, we can do it from here or in here. What we need to do is the PC is gonna be the IP. Okay, that's the host name or IP address. In here we're gonna put the IP address. Okay, what we usually get on our email when we get it from Money Robot is an IP, username, and password. Let's put it here, the IP. After that, just go ahead and click on add. If you can see here, we have it. We can connect where it is. Everything is normal. Go ahead and double click. And now we're gonna use the username and password. And click continue. Continue again. And that's all we need to do. That's it. Simple like that.